Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. In this video, we're going to be doing chapter 11, verse 6. And Bhagwan Sri Krishna has started by this. This is the first verse in which he started to really show his Virat Roop. So he's describing that to Arjun. Obviously, we can't see it, but we can hear about it. We can use the sound Shravanam. We can um, I attended a thing yesterday on sound, the importance of sound healing, and they were playing sound in just sound, just like that frequencies or different frequencies, and that sound was creating patterns. He put sand on a piece of glass, just like sprinkle sand on glass, and he put the mic with the sound frequency right on top of that glass, and it was creating patterns on that glass. Different frequencies were creating different patterns. It was amazing. Anyway, sound is extremely important. Shravanam is extremely important. So what we're doing here is Shravanam. We're hearing. We can't see the Virat Roop, but we're hearing about the Virat Roop from Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Okay, so let's sing the verse together. पश्यादित्यान् वसून् रुद्रान् अश्विनौ मारुतस्तथा बहून्यदृष्टपूर्वाणि पश्याश्चर्याणि भारत. So here he's saying, "O best of Bharata, see here the different manifestations." Yeah, this makes me more like when he says, "Oh best of Bharat," it's just so sweet the way he's uh, addressing him. He's like so warm, so loving. We can learn from that, right? How to be appreciative of other people. Like he's God, he's Bhagwan Sri Krishna. He doesn't have to be loving towards anybody. He doesn't have to be so sweet and appreciative and warm towards anybody. Like he can be like all ego. Look at me, I'm the best. But all he wants is love. And all he's giving is love, and all, the way he's addressing Arjun is just all love, pure love. Oh, best of Bharata, Parantapa, Partha. Like he's just so nice, so nice. You can see his love flowing, overflowing in these verses. See here the different manifestations of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini, Kumaras, and all the other demigods. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard before. So yeah, I mean, nobody has seen or heard of these things before, and he's telling him these exist, and this is what it is. So Swami Mukudanand obviously likes to go into a lot of detail about things. So he explains he not only contains the marvels, but in that exist on Earth, but also in higher planetary systems, never before seen in this manner. And he reveals that celestial gods are tiny fragments of his divine form. So then he shows the 12 Adityas, 8 Vasus, Rudras, and Ashwini Kumaras, and 49 Maruts. So he mentions all of them there. Aditya, Vasu, Rudra, Ashwini Kumara, and Maruts. So, and then he lists them all, the 12 sons of Aditi and the 11 Rudras and the 49 Maruts, and he lists all of them. So, yeah, feel free to go through it if you want to know them, who they are. Yeah, so that's it for this verse. We'll do chapter 11, verse 7 in the next video. And we'll start to see more of his Virat Roop and understand more about Bhagwan Sri Krishna. And then, as we understand more about Bhagwan Sri Krishna, we can develop our attachment for him and develop our love for him. And meanwhile, we can just pray to him. My anchor point is now my Tulsi beads, so I just hold touch my Tulsi beads. But whatever your anchor point is, or whatever, you can just simply pray. Bhagwan Shri Krishna, please help me increase my attachment to you. Please give me bhakti. Please give me your prem. Please give me love for you. Okay, that's it for this video. Wish you lots and lots of love for Krishna. Radhe Radhe.